Hi, this is Heather. Welcome to this J-School Tech training video on some new features with the April 2018 update of Premiere Pro. So this is version 12.1.1, and we're just going to look at some of the cool new things you can do, starting with auto ducking. So if you've ever brought in music and had dialogue and you kind of need to work those levels together, you know why auto ducking is going to be a great feature for you. So we're starting out here in our editing panel, and I'm actually going to switch over to my audio workspace to get us started. So for our work today, I have video with some dialogue on A1, and then I have some music on A2. Let's play this so you can hear what things sound like before we've done anything. So you can hear the music, but you can barely hear the dialogue in that. So we're going to fix that. So our first step is to assign audio types. So my dialogue is going to be assigned to dialogue, my music is going to be assigned to music, and that's going to allow Premiere Pro to help me duck these two together. So with my dialogue selected, I'm going to assign it to a dialogue type, and within that loudness section, I'm going to auto match that. And so that's just going to match that dialogue to standard broadcast levels of loudness. Next step, go down, select my music clip, same workflow. Select music, then auto match. So that's also going to be targeted to what a standard mix for music would be. Next, I'm going to go down to my ducking, and I'm going to turn that on. And so I am choosing to duck against my dialogue, but I could also duck against other music, sound effects, ambient clips, clips without assigned audio types. So if maybe you have some B-roll that has some nat sound on it. So within that ducking, you have three areas you're going to work with. First, sensitivity. Little experimenting that I've done shows that really you don't want that to go below 6 for your sensitivity. Doesn't hurt to bump it up a little bit, but within everything that you work in Premiere, there's no real settings. Base it on your work, base it on what your audio sounds like. Each audio is going to be very different. Reduce by, my recommendation is somewhere between -13 and -18. So we're going to start at 18, see how we like that. And then our fades. So when our clip fades out at the end here, we can bring that music up faster or slower. So with these starting points, let's go ahead and generate our keyframes. Then we'll play and hear the difference. So you can hear that audio is just a lot better. I can hear the dialogue, the music is very subtle. I might want to bring it in a little bit more. So I'm going to reduce by, let's say, 15 decibels. Now let's generate the keyframes. Now let's play that back. Music still there, a little less subtle. I kind of like that value. Let's look at these fades. So if I want to, at the end here, and I'll just increase this so you can see what we're looking at. There's my keyframes that Premiere Pro put in automatically for me. And so how that sounds here at the end is we get a rapid pickup of that music. So if I want to slow that down, I can just increase that, generate new keyframes, and you can see how that changed in our panel. And we can play that back. And that music comes up a little slower. So that is working with auto ducking in the new Premiere Pro. Enjoy.